Colt from Spit and Tex Upholstery on the Thor GC1541S. We've just shown you how to thread it. We've shown you how to wind the bobbin. Now we take the bobbin. Okay, now if you look at this, there's a little sliver on here. This is your bobbin casing. See the little tab? That's facing away from you. You got your sliver facing down. You want your thread forward on your bobbin. Slip it in the case. Run it through that little sliver underneath that tab until it clicks. See that? And then you can pull it and you can see. Okay, I'd leave about an 8-inch tab. I fold it backwards. I come underneath, and put it on the post. And listen, hear that click? You're in there. We just threaded the machine. Now watch. I put my needle down, and then my knee foot, I lift it up and I wiggle my thread, and look at that, and wiggle my, I see these loops? So that's the loop you're looking for. Then I pull it. And you see that? Whoops. Oh, doing a video. Of course it wants to give me a hard time. But anyway, it pulls it up from the bottom. And you see that? You want a nice little tension. That's your bottom bobbin, okay? And then, boom. You're ready to sew. So that's the Thor GC1541S. It's a copy of a Juki. And I'll see you around like a donut.